Good day, everyone. Welcome to another exciting vocab video. This is week 5 for my 8th grade students, and here's a list of the words this week. Idle, ridicule, refrain, deface, flagrant, and escapade. So let's jump into this first word, find out what it means. The first word is idle. Idle. And this is something I think we all enjoy doing. It's a descriptive word, so it's an adjective, and it's when something or someone is lazy or not active. I love to do this on my days off. I like to lounge, watch a little TV, especially football or some sort of sport, maybe with a little snack like this guy's got. I enjoy being idle because my day-to-day life during the week is very active, so I like to be a little lazy when I'm off of work. And so synonyms for this might be empty, useless, insignificant, lazy, of no use, or unsuccessful. Idle doesn't always have to be seen as a negative thing, but it often is seen as a negative thing. So sometimes you can be idle to relax and rejuvenate, but oftentimes it's seen as a bad thing because you're not being very productive. So idle. The next word this week is ridicule. Ridicule. This is a really harsh word, as you can see in the picture here, and it means to make fun of. So it's an action, something that you do. This boy is being made fun of. He's even crying. It's very sad by other people in his life. And ridicule means also synonyms for this would be jeer, laugh at, tease, harass, bully, taunt, jab, jibe, roast, or put down. So ridicule. The next word this week is refrain. To refrain, and this is an action, and it takes a lot of willpower, and it's when you're trying to stop oneself from doing something. So a lot of adults are like this image here. They try to refrain from eating things that are unhealthy for them. Maybe they're trying to lose weight. Maybe they're trying to just be healthy in general. So they're refraining from doing something that they know they shouldn't. Other things you can refrain from are laziness. If you're trying to get something done, you have a project that's due or a paper that's due, you can refrain from certain types of people. Maybe there's negative people in your life that you have to stop being around. You refrain from being around those people. So synonyms of this word would be stop, bar, block, cease, control, discipline, or withstand. Refrain. The next word this week is deface. Deface. Now this is again another verb. It's something that you do, or it could be an adjective if something has been defaced, and it means to ruin or injure something's appearance. So an easy way to think about this is graffiti. Graffiti is often seen as defacing of public property. It was not intended to be drawn on or written on, but someone, the graffiti artist, has come and put their tag on the side of the building or put something that shouldn't be there on the side of the building. But anytime you ruin something, you're defacing it. Say you take your friend's artwork and you draw on it. That's defacing. Say that you write on the desk at school. That's defacing the property. Synonyms for this would be demolish, vandalize, blemish, damage, deform, disfigure, harm, and ruin, or tarnish. Deface. The next word this week is flagrant. Flagrant, and that means extremely bad. So when something is extremely bad, it's flagrant. War can be flagrant. Curse words can be flagrant. The way we treat each other at school can sometimes be flagrant if you're dealing with a bully. In basketball, there's something called a flagrant foul, and that is when you do something so bad that it's almost like punching or hitting or cursing at someone. It's extremely bad. Synonyms could be brazen, disgraceful, egregious, shameful, shocking, disgusting, awful, and dreadful. Flagrant. The next word this week is escapade. Escapade, and that is a reckless adventure. Anytime you're doing something that's mildly dangerous or significantly dangerous, that's known as an escapade. Typically, escapade is a negative word. We say it in a negative context, and if we accuse someone of being on an escapade, that means they were kind of unresponsible and selfish and did something that was dangerous. Just like this person here, maybe this is really, really fun, but it could be seen as an escapade because they could fall hundreds of feet to their death. So it's very reckless. But synonyms for this word would be antic, fling, caper, folly, mischief, romp, shenanigans, and foolishness. Escapade. Well, thanks so much for joining us for week 5 for my 8th grade students. Here's a list of the words we learned today. Idle, ridicule, refrain, deface, flagrant, and escapade. Well, thanks so much for joining us. I hope to see you next time. Bye.